Looking at number 6. Number 6, we want to simplify this as much as possible. First thing I notice is we have the same index, so we can just combine these. We don't need to put in an exponential form to kind of simplify it. But the first thing I see is a negative with an odd index, so I'm going to pull that out before I do anything. So we're left with negative cubic root of 12x to the fourth y times, no negatives, so we can just leave that under. So there's two approaches to this. I'm going to do this a certain way, and then I'll do the other one another. So the first approach is to kind of simplify as you go, then combine. Or you can multiply or combine, then simplify. So I'm going to combine as I go. So right here, let's just start breaking things down. 12 will break down to 2 and 6. And 6 will break down to 2 and 3. So I'm going to rewrite this as that. And then 4 will break down to 2 times 2. So I'm going to rewrite that number as this. I don't want to use purple since I use that for the index. Perfect. And then I can kind of just add the exponents as I go. So in the front, since they're the same index, I'm going to just put them under the same radical. So we get negative cubic root. For our first term, we have 2 squared times 3 x to the fourth y times 2 squared x squared y squared. So why did I write it this way? So I can combine my bases easier. That's why. So I include the negative first. Cubic root, we'll just start adding. Well, 2 and 2 have the same base, so I can add them. What's 2 plus 2? 4, so I get 2 to the fourth. No 3's to add to, so I get just 3. X to the fourth added to x to the second gets you x to the sixth. Y, so 1 plus 2 gives you y to the third. And we can start simplifying from here. So our index, remember, is 3. So we require a base of 3. So if we rewrite this, and we can rewrite it under the radical so we can see it better. We get here, I want a base of 3. This works. I know that won't work since 1 is smaller than 3. 4 is bigger, so I can simplify to make it a 3 or a factor of it. 6 will already get it, and then y to the third will already get it. So if I were to write this, rewrite this, it'd look like this. And then I could just start simplifying. How many times does the index 3 go into 3? Goes into it 1 time, so I'll pull it out. The negative's still there, so we get a 2, because this radical needed 3 of the same number. 2 stays. This is gone. 3 stays. Six divided by 3. 6 is bigger and a factor of 3. So 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 times x squared. 3 divided by 3 gives us a 1, so we get a y outside. And so these are gone. So our final answer would be negative 2 x squared y cubic root 3 6. All right, and that's our final answer for number 6.